up on truth, not fear. Ash in a chalice, mind crystal clear. Every puff remind me, life weird thing, but the herb teach patience. From within, storm can bend the kid, but it don't break. Mountains only move when the soul awake. Me hear Jah whisper in a leaf and breeze, say stand up firm and put your heart at ease. So me lift up me head, make the burden fall. One little spark can answer it all. When the night get cold and the road seem long, me hold pan wisdom and me sing me song. Ganja duck salad, praise and praise, burn out fear in a legal ways. Ganja duck salad, lift me soul, roots and reason, make me whole. Oh, yeah. Ganja duck salad. Me see the youth them hungry for a sign. Too much light try poison up the mind. So me share one lesson from the green and gold. Not every crown is shining, not every truth get told. Plant it in a soil, watch it take its time. See I'm so hope grow strong in a heartbeat rhyme. Me not chase illusion, me not beg no gate. I build from the dirt till me rise up straight. So me lift up me head, make the burden fall. One little spark can answer it all. When the road get rough and the sky look gray, me keep me faith in a better day. Ganja duck salad, praise and praise, burn out fear in a legal ways. Ganja duck salad, lift me soul, roots and reason, make me whole. Oh, yeah. Ganja duck salad. Hear this now, you dive no rest. Every scar them carry a sacred trace. Man like God, them choose what grow. Plant sweet thought and watch it show. Me no preach from heart, me sing from earth. From hunger, from pressure, from earth and words. If you need strength, then search your chest. A calm heartbeat can hold last strength. Ganja duck salad, praise and praise, burn out fear in a legal ways. Ganja duck salad, lift me soul, roots and reason, make me whole. Oh, yeah. Ganja duck salad. So when the moon jack silver upon the sea, me give thanks for the herb and the mercy. Ganja duck salad, clear and true, one love medicine, pull me through. Yeah, la la la. Na 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 na. Hey, hey, hey. Huh. Me waking at the dawn, pan beer, foot floor. One little herb in my palm, and me know me poor no more. Life rough like coral stone, but me heart still stand up tall. Every seed them have a reason, even if it broke. True all. Me tell the head fi cool down, me tell the chest fi breathe. Nuff man chase vanity and end up begging peace. But the green speaks, I feel like a elder upon the hill. Know yourself, my brethren, and your spirit of your will. So me lift it up, give thanks and balance from soil to soul. Jah make no accident, so me lift it up. No fear, no shame, one lick of truth and me mind same. Ganja duck salad, oh, praising on the breeze. Ganja duck salad, set the restless free. Hold firm, my brethren, grow like the tree. Ganja duck salad, Jah life over me. Someone want fast money, want flash and high grade fame, but the greatest wealth is a clean hand's name. If you plant good talk, good fruit a fi show. If you water bad intention, only bitter root grow. Me learn from the elders, them sit and never shout. One pot, one song, one reason. Before the rain come out, a man nah need crown fi be king in his lane. Just move with truth and kindness, and the mountain feel same. So when the storm come roaring and the wicked start chat, me keep doxology. Praising all the breeze. Ganja doxology. Set the restless free. Hold firm, my brethren. Grow like the tree. Ganja doxology. Your life over me. Why? Watch how the river travel, never rush, still reach sea. Your spirit move like water, not like stone in misery. Every leaf a sermon, every root a prayer. If your heart's here humble, blessing they right there. Ganja doxology, praising all the breeze. Ganja doxology, set the restless free. Hold firm, my brethren, grow like the tree. Ganja doxology, your life over me. Ganja doxology, no seller, no fee. Ganja doxology, make the whole soul see. Hold firm, my brethren, grow like the tree. Ganja doxology, your life over me. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, yeah. Ooh, oh yeah. Morning touch, the chalice leaf. Bless up me heart, put down me grief. One small spark, whole soul catch fire. Rasta reason lift me higher. Babylon, proud love, speed and greed. But poor man grow from humble seed in the dirt. The wisdom stay, sun still rise on the longest day. So me chant in the yard. Life get rough still, stand up hard. Every scar be a living map. Every fall no fi clap. Ganja doxology, teach me how to live free. Ganja doxology, heal the mind, heal the sea. Ganja doxology, roots start playing to me. Ganja doxology, lift the whole family. See the elder with the patient eye. Never beg for a piece of sky. He said, child, rush your breath. Most real joy born near to death. One love can't be forced by hand. It grow like yam in the sun. So plant good word and water truth. Keep your faith from your early youth. When the night comes thick and cold, hold that seed out, your soul. If the road start twist and sway, wisdom show you the bright way. Ganja doxology, upon truth, not fear. Ash in a chalice, mind crystal clear. Every puff remind me, life waiting, but the herb teach patience from within. Storm can bend the cane, but it don't break. Mountains only move when the soul away. Me hear Jah whisper in a leaf and breeze, says stand up firm and put your heart at ease. So me lift up me head, make the burden fall. One little spark can answer it all. When the night get cold and the road seem long, me hold pan wisdom and me sing me song. Ganja doxology, praise and praise, burn out fear in a legal way. Ganja doxology, lift me soul, roots and reason make me whole. Ganja doxology. Me see the youth them hungry for a sign. Too much light, dry poison up the mind. So me share one lesson from the green and gold. Not every crown is shiny, not every truth get told. Plant it in a soil, watch it take its time. Same so hope grows strong in a hard day prime. Me not chase illusion, me not beg no gate. I build from the dirt till me rise up straight. So me lift up me head, let the burden fall. One little spark can answer it all. When the road get rough and the sky look gray, me keep me faith in a better day. Ganja doxology, praise and praise, burn out fear in a legal way. Ganja doxology, lift me soul, roots and reason make me whole. Ganja doxology. Hear this now, you life no race. Every scar them carry a sacred trace. Mind like garden, choose what grow. Plant sweet art and watch it show. Me no preach from I, me sing from earth. From hunger, from pressure, from earth and work. If you need strength, then search your chest. A calm heartbeat can't outlast stress. Ganja doxology, praise and praise, burn out fear in a legal way. Ganja doxology, lift me soul, roots and reason make me whole. Ganja doxology. So when the moon talks silver, silver on the sea, me give thanks for the herb and the mercy. Ganja doxology, clear and true. One love medicine pull me through. Na 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 na, na 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 na. Yeah. We born from the clay, we now born for food. Feet on the rocky road, heart still bold. Mama say, son, know yourself and stand. True roots make the tree reach high in the land. Man can chat, but well can run from pain. But stamp test the mango, he'll test the cane. Every scar right wisdom pa me skin. Me learn said the outside never beat the within. So me hold pan tight through the night breeze and the long, long fight. When me head get low, me spirit rise. See the truth in a black man eyes. Rootical, stay rootical. Stand up firm, stay rootical. Rootical, stay rootical. When the world shake, stay rootical. No beg no man fi pour your strength. Build your bridge, measure your length. If the road bend sharp, take your time. A calm mind richer than silver line. Babylon mode full, but it cannot stay. Dust to dust and the fraud fade away. So me chant with the drum and the cedar smoke. One good word can revive the broke. So me hold pan tight through the storm clouds and the sleepless night. When the whole place lean and the foul them fly, truth still stand cause the elders rise slow. From cold pot and cedar bowl, it make the weak man know life no race, it's a river road. Granny say, watch your step when the rain beat on the zinc. Every scar have a reason, every silent full of link. Me learn from the black smoke ring, how it twist but still reach high. One eye on the ground, one eye on sky. That's how the humble stay alive. So when trouble look my door, me no run from the flame. I breathe in the lesson and my heart said the same. Smoke of the elders, guide me soul. Smoke of the elders, make me whole. For real, me stand up strong. Through the fire, me carry on. Smoke of the elders, guide me way. Smoke of the elders, night to day. Rise up, walk with light. Ancient breath I keep me right. Old man pon the corner bench, shake head and laugh at greed. Say you can't plant lies in the earth and expect a clean seed. If you're more full of poison talk, you go taste it one by one. But if you plant love in the yard, that food go feed your son. Me see the poor man rich in grace, and the rich man poor in sleep. One carry gold in a chest, one carry peace so deep. So when the night get cold and the road turn rough, me call upon the elders and I'm more than enough. Smoke of the elders, guide me soul. Smoke of the elders, make me whole. For real, me stand up strong. Through the fire, me carry on. Smoke of the elders, guide me way. Smoke of the elders, night to day. Rise up, walk with light. Ancient breath that keep me right. If you lose your name in a the crowd, find it back in a your bone. If your heart feel small and scared, hear the drum in a your own. Them who know the mountain, know the climb teach worth. Every ember in the ashes, still remember it was her. Still remember it was her. Smoke of the elders, guide me soul. Smoke of the elders, make me whole. For real, me stand up strong. Through the fire, me carry on. Smoke of the elders, guide me way. Smoke of the elders, night to day. Rise up, walk with light. Ancient breath I keep me right. From me learn me now let go. To the rain and the clay. Smoke of the elders in a me chest. Show me how to stay. Na. Hey, na. Hey. Oh. Morning touch the chalice leaf, bless up me heart, put down me grief. One small spark, whole soul catch fire. Rasta reason lift me higher. Babylon crowd love speed and greed, but poor man grow from humble seed. Inna the dirt the wisdom stay, sun still rise on the land display. So me chant inna the air, life get rough still stand up hard. Every scar be a living map, every follow off it clap. Ganja doxology, teach me how to live free. Ganja doxology, heal the mind, heal the sea. Ganja doxology, roots talk plain to me. Ganja doxology, lift the whole family. Lift the whole family. See the elder with the patient eye, never beg for your piece of sky. He said, child, no rush your breath, most real jive and near to death. One love can't be forced by hand, it grow like yam inna the sand. So plant good word and water truth, keep your faith from heal the mind, heal the sea, ganja doxology. Roots got plenty to me, ganja doxology. Lift the whole family, lift the whole family. Lift the whole family.
Yeah, yeah. Me rise with the sun and the chalice in a me hand. Can't let the pressure broke the roots of a man. Every small little seed know the secret of earth. Grow through the mud, still remember my words. Babylon talk, but it can't seal my faith. Me heart stay steady, me steps stay straight. Smoking on me chest, but my mind stay clear. Jah put the fire in every sincere prayer. Some walks off, but my spirit tough. When the road get hard, me love enough. Make the sorrow pass, make the wisdom stay. Ganja doxology guide my way. Ganja doxology lift my soul. Ganja doxology make me whole. I meditation firm and true. Oh yeah, Jah light shine through. Ganja doxology chanted loud. Ganja doxology stand up proud. Blessing in a the leaf, truth in a the breeze. Yeah man,
Strength for me need.
them want see me fall like dry cane leaf, but me water me dream with silent belief. One handful pressure, one handful grace. Me learn to smile through the roughest place. If you lose your way, check the ground, check your soul. Enough road get crooked, but the tree grow old. Leaf teach patience, resin teach fire. Even broken heart can rise higher. Some walks off, but my spirit tough. When the road get hard, me love enough. Make the sorrow pass, make the wisdom stay. Ganja doxology guide me way. Ganja doxology lift my soul. Ganja doxology make me whole. I meditation firm and true. Oh yeah, Jah light shine through. Ganja doxology chanted loud. Ganja doxology stand up proud. Blessing in a the leaf, truth in a the breeze. Yeah man,
Strength for me need.
hear me now. No man can buy your peace. No crown, no chain, no sharp edge crease. Me live by balance, me live by fire. Me live by the word and the clean desire. If your heart get cold, let compassion grow. If your mind get dark, let the good herb show. From the gully to the hill, one law me choose. Love is the path when the weak must move.
Ganja doxology
Lift my soul. Ganja doxology make me whole. I meditation firm and true. Oh yeah, Jah light shine through. Ganja doxology chanted loud. Ganja doxology stand up proud. Blessing in a the leaf, truth in a the breeze. Yeah man,
strength for me need.
na 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 na. Ah, yeah. We born from the clay, we not born fi fold. Feet on the rocky road, heart still bold. Mama says, son, know yourself and stand. True roots make the tree reach high in the land. Man can chat, go wealth and run from pain, but storm test the mango, hail test the cane. Every scar right wisdom from me skin. Me learn said the outside never beat the within. So me hold pan tight through the night breeze and the long fight.
rootical, stay rootical.
Stand up firm,
Stay rootical,
rootical,
rootical, stay rootical.
when the world shake,
Stay rootical,
rootical.
rootical.
Woo. Ha, rootical.
Rootical.
Hey. No beg no man fit pour your strength, build your bridge, measure your length. If the road bend sharp, take your time. A calm mind richer than silver line. Hey. Babylon mouth full, but it cannot stay. Dust to dust and the fraud fade away. So me chant with the drum and the cedar smoke. One good word can revive the broke. So me hold pan tight to the storm cloud and the sleepless night. When the whole place lean and the foul them fly, true still stand, it can die. Rootical,
Rootical, stay rootical.
stand up firm.
Stay rootical,
Rootical,
rootical, stay rootical.
when the world shake.
Stay rootical,
Rootical,
rootical.
woo. From the river to the red dirt yard, life sweetheart, life rough hard. But the seed know when fi split the stone. Same way your heart know how fi find home. If your head brother, don't sell your name. Every loss can light a better flame. If you walk in a love and walk in a grace, you can be lost in a no place. Rootical,
Rootical, stay rootical.
stand up firm.
Stay rootical,
Rootical,
rootical, stay rootical.
when the world shake.
Stay rootical,
Rootical,
rootical.
keep your foot on growth. Rootical vibe, rootical soul. Root in your chest, calm in your stride.
Rootical,
Now lose the pride.
rootical.
Yeah. Smoke at the elders. Smoke at the elders. Oh. Smoke at the elders rise slow from coal pot and cedar bowl. He make the weak man know life no race, it a river road. Granny said, watch your step when the rain beat on the scene. Every scar have a reason, every silence full of link. Me learn from the black smoke ring. Oh, we twist but still reach high. One eye on the ground, one eye on sky. That's how the humble stay alive. So when trouble lick my door, me no run from the flame. I breathe in the lesson and me heart said the same. Say, smoke at the elders, guide my soul. Smoke at the elders, make me whole. For real, me stand up strong. Through the fire, me carry on. Smoke at the elders, guide my way. Smoke at the elders, night to day, rise up, walk with light. Ancient breath that keep me right. Old man pon the corner bench, shake head and laugh at greed. Say you can't plant lies in the earth and expect a clean seed. Hey, if your mouth full of poison talk, you go taste it one by one.
you'd find it back in your bone. If your heart feels small and scared, hear the drumming of your home. The moon know the mountain know the climb each word. Every ember in the ashes, still remember it was her. Smoke of the elders, guide me soul. Smoke of the elders, make me whole. For real, me stand up strong. To the fire, me carry on. Smoke of the elders, guide me way. Smoke of the elders, night to day, rise up, walk with light. Ancient breath, I keep me right. What me learn, me nah let go. Through the rain and the clay, smoke of the elders in my chest. Show me how to stay. Me rise with the sun and the chalice in me hand. Can't let the pressure broke the roots of a man. Every small little seed know the secret of earth. Grow through the mud, still remember me worth. Babylon taught, but it can't seal me fear. Me heart stay steady, me steps stay straight. Smoking on me chest, but my mind stay clear. Jah put the fire in every sincere prayer. So me walk soft, but my spirit tough. When the road get hard, me love enough. Make the sorrow pass, make the wisdom stay. Ganja doxology guide my way. Ganja doxology lift me soul. Ganja doxology make me whole. High meditation firm and true. Oh yeah, Jah light shine through. Ganja doxology chant it loud. Ganja doxology stand up proud. Blessing in the leaf, truth in the breeze. Yeah man, strength on me knees. Them want see me fall like dry cane leaf, but me water me dream with silent belief. One handful pressure, one handful grace. Me learn to smile through the roughest place. If you lose your way, check the ground, check your soul. No road get crooked, but the tree grow old. Leaf teach patience, resin teach fire. Even broken heart can rise higher. So me walk soft, but my spirit tough. When the road get hard, me love enough. Make the sorrow pass, make the wisdom stay. Ganja doxology guide me way. Ganja doxology lift me soul. Ganja doxology make me whole. High meditation firm and true. Oh yeah, Jah light shine through. Ganja doxology chant it loud. Ganja doxology stand up proud. Blessing in the leaf, truth in the breeze. Yeah man, strength on me knees. Hear me no man can buy your peace. No crown, no chain, no sharp edge crease. Me live by balance, me live by fire. Me live by the word and the clean desire. If your heart get cold, let compassion grow. If your mind get dark, let the good herb show. From the gully to the hill, one law me choose. Love is the path when the weak must move. Ganja doxology lift me